channel if you're new here. Subscribe down below. Today's video, as you can see, is my room tour video. So make sure to like and subscribe down below if you like the video. And yeah, let's get into it. So starting outside my door, it's just very plain. As we go in, this is what you see, just my red bed. And then the first thing I'm going to show you that we come to is this chair, which I always just put my laptop on, and sometimes I'll drag it to my mirror, which is on the other side of my bedroom. And then moving on to my back of my door, I just have coats and stuff. And then I also just have this picture down by my door. And then just some washing and my bin up there, and then that's just my bed. And I have a white fluffy rug on the floor, have a candle, my lighter, and just a few Christmas decorations on the top, some PlayStation 3 games, a cup and everything, some movies and PlayStation 3 stuff, and some more DVDs, and just some candles and stuff. And then under my bed, just a Christmas decoration box, a few of my college stuff, pedicure bowl, nail varnishes, pictures, and just bits that I need to sort out. And then on this cupboard I just have a teddy bear, and then I keep my hair stuff, like my hairbrushes on there, some fake nails, and then just some money boxes and stuff. Then moving on down, there's a painting that I painted ages ago, light, and a few bath bits and hair dye in that. And then moving down, just a few deodorants and stuff, and some sweets. And then those are just my underwear drawers, but in this bottom drawer I like to keep just random stuff. And then just some more stuff there, which is not important. And then on here I just have a few teddy bears, a picture and a Connect 4. And that's just my college uniform. And then in my cupboard I have jeans, joggers and leggings. And then I have all my tops, jackets and stuff in there as well. And then I have pyjamas to the right. I really need to get some new ones, as you can see, they're very old. And then just shoes on the bottom. It's very messy on the bottom because I haven't sorted it out. And then over here I just have headbands, my mirror, and more deodorants and body sprays and stuff. And then I have two little candle holders and some more Christmas decorations, as you can see. I also keep my hair straighteners on there, and a clock and my jewellery box. And then moving down I just have my makeup section. I don't own much makeup because I don't really wear it much, but I have mostly Revolution. And then just a few foundations and some lip glosses and stuff. Then I have some nail designs that I just sometimes mess on with. I have manicure stuff, acrylic nail stuff, a nail drill as well. Then I also have face and body stuff, so like face mask and body moisturisers and stuff like that. And then some more face products, some eyelash and eyebrow tint stuff. And then I have makeup brushes on the bottom and some Harry Potter books and just books in general, and just like other bits and bobs. And then I just have my hair dryer and this little teddy bear sat on the floor. Then I have a few ornaments in the windowsill. Also have a picture in the windowsill of me. Then I also have a few teddy bears on the radiator. And this is just my Christmas tree that you would already have seen in my Winter Wonderland video. Link in the description, by the way. And then I have this teddy bear on my PlayStation 3, and I also have this lamp. And some more Christmas decorations, and this is my TV. And in the first drawer is just like electronic bits like batteries, wires and stuff like that. In the second drawer is just like arts and crafts stuff, pencils, pens, felt tips and stuff. And in the third is just some more hair bits. In this little cupboard here is just my random colour cupboard. Just has teddies, a onesie and stuff in, and a sequin art at the bottom. And then this is just my bedding cupboard, which is quite boring, so yeah.